Good day to you. Kindly tell something about yourself.
My name is Philomena Victoria Martin. I have married. I have 3 children. I'm 35 years old.
Okay, so how about working as a domestic helper? Do you have any experience?
I have experience for taking baby at 3 years old and 5 years old.
Okay, so from what country?
Dubai.
Okay, have you finished your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell us what was your daily routine from your previous employer in Dubai?
My madam is good. I looking children. I'm feeding food and I cleaning the house all.
Okay, do you know how to tutor children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so aside from working in Dubai, do you have another country to work with?
Yes, ma'am. I'm working for Bahrain. I'm looking 5 years old children.
Oh, as I have seen in your bio data that you took care of 5 months old baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you mean you took care of 5 months old baby
Baby.
and not 5 years old child?
Okay.
Okay, so can you tell us what was your duties from your employer in Bahrain?
I'm working for baby 24 hours, madam.
Okay, so do you know how to bath the baby?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so how about sometimes the baby got sick, so what will you do?
I call the nurse, madam, and I will give medicine for baby.
Okay, so before you will give medicine to the baby, wait for the prescribed by the physician, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And first, you will inform the employer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you willing to follow all the rules and regulations imposed by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in case that you will be hired in Hong Kong, so I'm sure that homesickness is not a problem with you, is that
No,
right?
ma'am.
Because I know in Middle East, no day off.
No off for Dubai, madam.
Okay, so can you promise that you will finish your 2 years contract if ever you will be hired in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so finally, can you give us your message to your future employer?
Dear my employer, please help me for go to Hong Kong.
Okay, so are you a hardworking person?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise that you will be loyal and honest to them?
Yes, I promise for you, madam. I will make nice for you.
Okay, very good. I hope that you will be hired in Hong Kong very soon. So before we end this interview, kindly show us your very best smile. Thank you very much.